असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now see the next one, the example 4. So the question is, at a distance L equals to 400 meters away from the signal light. Okay. Brakes are applied to a locomotive moving with a velocity. Here the velocity, initial velocity is given, u equals to 54 km per hour. Okay. Determine the position of rest of the locomotive relative to the signal light after 1 minute of the application of the brakes. If its acceleration a is equals to minus 0.3 meter per second square. So here the acceleration is given, that is minus 0.3 meter per second square. That means it is a retardation here. And the initial velocity is given, u equals to 54 km per hour. So here they are asking to find the position of the locomotive after applying the brakes, means after 1 minute. Where is the position of the locomotive? And here at a distance they are given L equals to 400 meters. This is away from the signal light. So we know that V is equals to u plus at. Here u is given, that is 54 km per hour. Right? Now we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So here we will get u is equals to 54 into, we know 5 by 18, this is, so we will get here 18 ones are 18, 3s are 54, so 3 5s are 15 meter per second. So here you got u is equals to 15 meter per second, and v is equals to 0 and a is minus 0.3 meter per second square. Right? So here we have the equation v is equals to u plus at. So I want to convert this into t is equals to v minus u by a. So here t is equals to, v is a 0 and u is a 15 by a is a minus 0.3. So what we will get here? T is equals to minus 15 by minus 0.3. So 0 minus minus will get cancelled. So here 15 by 0.3 we will get here 50. Okay. Seconds. So here we got 50 seconds. Okay. So this is a meter per second and this is meter per second square. So meter gets cancelled, second and second cancelled, remaining this. So here we got t is equals to 50 seconds, during which it will cover the distance. We can take s is equals to minus u square by 2a. Okay. So here s is equals to, u means we know 15. So minus 15 whole square by 2 into a equals to minus 0.3. Right? So here we will get 15 is a 225 by 0.6. So we will get here 275. Here distance we got, this is 275. Now we can find this locomotive relative to the signal light after 1 minute of the application of the brakes. So we know they are given L is equals to L minus, yes, we have to do now. So we know capital L is equals to 400, S is a 275. Okay, sorry, we will get here 375 will get. Okay, so this is also 375. So we will get here 25 meters, right? So here L is equals to 25 meters when the position of the rest of the locomotive relative to the signal after 1 minute of the application of the brakes, that is at 25 meters. Okay. Now see the next one, fifth example. So the question is here, what is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration? So here the object is moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint of 2 points on a straight line. So where the speeds are u and v. So here the two speeds are given u and v, that means initial and final. So between these two, the midpoint is in a straight line moving with the uniform acceleration. So here they are asking to find the midpoint speed of the acceleration in a straight line. So from this we can write, let A be the acceleration and S be the distance between 2 points. So from this we can write the equation v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So here I want to draw the diagram. So this is the u initial velocity and this is the v final velocity, right? So they are given the speeds u and v. So between these two, the midpoint m, I am assuming this is the v naught. So v naught be the midpoint here. We have to find the speed of the midpoint on this straight line, right? So now we can write from this v naught minus v naught square minus u square is equals to 2a into s by 2. So why we are taking s by 2 means here we are finding the midpoint speed in a uniform acceleration. So that's why we have to take s by 2 here. So what is the equation 1? So from equation 1 we get, now here 2as is there, no? So in the place of 2as substitute the v square minus u square value. So v naught square minus u square is equals to v square minus u square by 2. So we can write here v naught square is equals to v square minus u square by 2 into plus u square. So we can also write v naught square is equals to v square minus u square plus 2u square. Multiply this 2 with u square by 2. So here minus u square plus 2u square. So we will get here v naught square is equals to v square minus u square by 2. So from this we can write here, when we are taking this to this side we will get root. So v naught is equals to under root of v square minus u square by 2. So this is the value. This is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint of 2 points on a straight line. Okay. So that is the value. V naught is equals to under root of v square minus u square by 2.